Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of rummaging through your wardrobe or find your favorite sari or lehenga? Introducing the ultimate solution, layered foldable sari covers and storage bag. With our innovative design, you can now organize and protect your precious ethnic wear effortlessly. Each bag is meticulously crafted to hold your sari, lehenga, suit and their matching accessories. Say goodbye to messy closet and hello to a neatly organized wardrobe. The layered foldable sari covers and storage bag features a transparent window that let you easily see what's inside without having to open each bag. No more wasting time searching for the right outside. It's not just about organization through we know have how improve is it to keep your ethnic wear safe and secure. That's why our storage bag is made from premium quality material that protect your garment from dust and moisture and unwanted creases. Your sari and lehenga will look as good as new every time you wear them. So guys, our foldable design allowing you to conveniently store and carry your ethnic wear wherever you go, whether you are traveling or simply want to keep your wardrobe clutter free. Our layered foldable sari covers storage bag is the perfect solution. But that's not all. This versatility storage bag can also be used to organize your accessories and like bangles, necklace and earrings. No more tangles, messes or missing pieces. Everything will be easily accessible right when you need it. Experience the joy of an organized wardrobe with the layer foldable sari cover storage bag. It's a time to simply your life and make dressing up a breeze. And order now and transform your wardrobe into a heaven of organization and protection. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing product and organizational tips. Happy organization guys. And guys, if you want to purchase this sari covers, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care and thank you for watching my video.